Welcome to this video blog around business cooperation in the digital economy and connected world. We hope you enjoy it.
Hello, we are looking into setting up a cooperation with another company from your ecosystem in order to help you reach your business objectives. And you can now start cooperating with the company. But as we said in previous episode, it is important that you have prepared. So there is a company decision that you shall extend and cooperate with other companies. You have documented the way you cooperate, this type of business relationships in your operational plan, and you also have prepared the specific business case for the cooperation you want to add, because you have to be prepared for what is it that you want to set up with another company when you discuss it. And now it is also so that you should also look at what are the candidates that you should be looking for, because not every company fits the bill that you have set up, because what you want is someone that can provide the value that you want in your business relationship and the business value chain, and you don't want them to be getting you into trouble. Cooperating with another company is a risk. Your customer relationship can be hurt, your company marketing, the company name can be hurt, and you can get into various kind of troubles if you don't understand exactly who are you dealing with and will they be there for you when you need them. So that is what you you need to look into. So, and it could be that you are in a very good situation. Everybody wants to cooperate with you, but not everybody will meet your or match your criteria. So before you start talking, because talking with the wrong company is a waste of time, so explore, look at what are the companies, how have they behaved, are they sustainable enough, can they handle what you want them to do, and so on. So create a short list of the companies that you can discuss with, and clarification and qualification. And then of course you can argue, well, there is only one. Yes, but still you need to understand, are they right company for what you need. If there aren't any, well, then maybe you shouldn't go ahead. So, and if you feel that you need assistance or guidance on this, there are companies that can help you to manage this.
Hope you enjoyed this video blog. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us at contact@handsonbusinesscooperation.com. Thank you.